What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. It's been a while. I haven't really posted anything. I tried to make a video the other day, but I got no runs in. So today we got a run locked in with a Maggie ZL1. I believe it's head cams. Should be making a little over 1,000 wheel. I don't know the exact setup or specifications. Either way, it's a stick car. Should be a good run. We've run them in the past, and we had good results. So apparently got a little faster. He has a little bit more done now, so it should be a good run. I'm really excited. Alright, so we just pulled up at the first spot, still waiting for a couple of people to get here. Then we're going to be rolling out together to the actual meetup spot. One of them is actually pulling up right now. So we just got here to the spot. There's the ZL1 that's pulling up right now. Chopping nice. ZL6. Clean ass Shelby. Sonies.
Bro, they're like right next to each other. Up, Shelby Bolt. There you go. Yeah, it didn't.
Alright guys, so we did it. We got that dub. Super happy right now. It's a clean race, and I'm just happy that I finally got a race, and it's been forever. No cars wanted to run, and here we are. The car did what it's supposed to do. Didn't spin. Got a clean hit. He seemed to have gotten a clean hit. And yeah, we're up some money. Yep, we did that. Everybody was actually shook that I won that run. I don't know why it was such a surprise. The total pot ended up being right around $2,500 per side, and let's just say it ended up being a good night. We ended up at the club. Honestly guys, after that win, super happy with myself and with the car. Ortiz Performance for the win. With that being said, the pot was about $2,500 on each side. So $5,000 pot, can't complain. So moving forward, I'm going to try to get back into this whole YouTube thing and really push for it, but it's just been a little unmotivating with the lack of races, and I don't want to bore you guys with content that you don't want to see. I know what you guys are here for. I know what excites you. It's the racing. With that being said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the race, who you'd like to see me race next, what kind of content you'd like to see with the Roush. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.